What's going on, Jets? So this is day 3 of me trading one model, one session up until the month ends, and then I'll get a pop from a card, trade the very same system that I'm currently trading right now. So this is day 3. Going into the day, I knew today's CPI. So I just wanted to trade after CPI into New York, right? So going into the day, man, it was pretty simple. I just looked at my chart after after CPI. So after CPI, I saw that we swapped the high of this day right here, the high of the 6th of March. We swapped it. That was what I saw. After we swapped that, I was like, alright, cool. Let me go on the lower time frames. I went on the 4 hour time frame, I think. And then on the 4 hour time frame, I saw that we had this buy side liquidity. Oh, yeah, this buy side liquidity right here. These are relative equal highs, I would say, from the 6th of June. Price has not been taking out those highs. So there's daily high right there, and there's these relative equal highs. I'll just call them relative equal highs for the sake of relative equal highs. Let me center them because it makes sense that they are centered. All right, we took out those relative equal highs and into that daily high as well. After that, I went on the 1 minute time frame, and on the 1 minute time frame, I just outlined this low right here, the CPI low. Highlighted it. This was going to be my TP. As you can see, man, it just hit right there. But I closed, I think, somewhere around this candle because it was just near it, so I didn't want to waste any time. I was like, let me take my TP. So right here, we failed to take out this high right here, and that high was taken out on the Nasdaq. So giving us some SMT diversions and also giving us an indication that price might go short SMT with NQ centered, beautiful. And then I was looking at price behavior around this low. I just wanted to see price break this low, and then that was going to be my market structure shift. And indeed, price did take out that low, and it left us with a 1 minute busy, not busy, CB rather, which was right here, and that's what I ended off of. That's the 1 minute CB right there. And when price retraced back into that CB, I didn't hesitate. Firstly, I put my stops, I think, right around this high, because this is a protected high, as it was taken out on NQ. It was failed. Well, it wasn't taken out on the Dow Jones. Blah 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 blah. I was like, nah, let me reduce my risk, man. I think my risk was around 30 pips, exactly 30 pips, because I had price inversed this fair value gap. Then I was out of the trade, man. I was out of it. So I put my stops around 30 pips, and I was targeting these lows. So I was in the trade for quite a minute. Well, from right there 1443 up until 1520. No, not 1520, man. I was into the new open with it. Maybe up until right. Let me just say right there for the sake of up until 1535. And yeah, man, that's the trade of the day. Sweep of 4 hour relative equal highs and the daily high sweep as well. An SMT on the 1 minute with NQ. Market structure shift on the 1 minute and a 1 minute bearish value gap. Then shorting into the CPI low. The CPI low right there. CPI low towards the right. Oh, the right. And yeah, man, that's it for me today. That's day 3. I think I got 160. Oh, it says 180 something here. Well, I didn't close right there. I think the highest I closed was maybe around 164, because it retraced a bit when I was still closing positions here, maybe 164. And with that being said, we were up, I think, 130 pips on day 1. Yeah, 130 pips on day 1, minus 30 pips day 2, and then 164 pips on day 3. We're doing pretty well, man. So, yeah, see you just again tomorrow.